What's up today, my people, my friends? I appreciate you checking out the video. First of all, let me say I'm in a massage chair, so the video gonna be a little shaky, alright? It's gonna be throwing me up and back, but I'm gonna still get my video in, alright? Once again, I appreciate you stopping by to check out this video. I have a question for you. If your life was a movie, would Jesus get the lead role? Would it be starring Jesus, or would it be like or would it be starring you? And you know, you just put Jesus as like a little extra or something, or just a little character towards the middle, you know, that come into your movie or whatever. Alright, so are you really seeking him? Is it really all about him? You know, in the Bible it says to seek first the kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you. Meaning that the things that's for you, they are coming to you as long as you seek him first. Alright, therefore he should be that lead role. Now I know you might think, man, I haven't put him first in my life none of the time. You know, it's always been about me. It's been about getting that money. It's been about my girlfriend or my boyfriend, or it's been all about, you know, schoolwork, you know. And I understand, you know, it gets like that sometimes. Let me turn this intensity down, because this thing throwing me out the chair. Alright, we back now. But anyway, I know a lot of times you may feel like you had him on the back burner, but that's why there's videos like this out there. That's why God uses people to remind you, to hit you between the eye and help you to wake up. Alright? So understand this. It's all about him, man. On that day, on Judgment Day, you know, you don't have time to sit there and make excuses like, oh, well, my homeboy, he the reason I'm like this. No, man. It's gonna be you. You're accountable for your own actions. You're accountable for every word that you are speaking. Alright? So understand this. In your life, in your movie, make sure that you put the Lord as the lead role. It's more serious than I can explain. Alright? All I can do is influence you in the right direction. All I can do is prepare the food for you and hand you a plate. But if you don't take a bite into that hamburger, you'll never really understand what I'm talking about when I'm talking about, you know, how the meat is juicy, or the lettuce is good, or the tomato is good. You can never fathom what I'm talking about in that realm until you take that bite. Alright? What's up, man? So I challenge you to take that bite. You know, this is the plate. I just told you what to do, or what to attempt to do, to make your life a lot better. So here's the plate. You know, it's a beef jerky sandwich, tomatoes, onions, it's everything on it, everything that you can think of. Like I say, seek first the kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things will be added unto you. Let's say that all these things that will be added unto you, that represents lettuce, mayonnaise, pickles, mustard, olives, anything that you could think of. All right, meaning the things that you're going to get in your life. But you got to take that bite, man. I can't take it for you. Alright, I appreciate you watching this video. You know, make sure you share it on your timeline, because there's some people on your timeline who need to take a bite. They've been staring at their plate the whole time, drinking lemonade, just staring at their plate like this. Pick the hamburger up and let's take a bite. Start tomorrow. You know, when you wake up in the morning, put the Lord first. If you don't do nothing but just read half of a chapter tomorrow, it's a start, man. It's a start, alright? Thank y'all for watching the video, man. Make sure you add me as a friend. Daily videos each and every day. All of these videos on youtube.com/DSimsMotivation. Be sure to subscribe, man. I love y'all.